Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn hide and seek together, step by step. In hide and seek, we describe where things are, left, right, near, far, and use directions to find a hidden spot. Position words tell us where something is, to the left or right, above or below, near or far, inside or outside. The four directions, north, south, east, and west, let us give clear paths, like go 2 steps east, then 1 step north. Starting at the gate, take 2 steps east and 3 steps north, following the clue exactly to reach the hidden box. To recap, position words describe where things are, the 4 directions guide us, and following clues step by step leads to the spot. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.